Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie again, and Yuki. Yuki and I are gonna do an unboxing for BB Crafts. They reached out to me and invited me to collaborate with them again. So thank you so much, BB Craft. I'm so glad that you liked my previous projects. And so I'm here today to do this unboxing, and then I'll be back to uh, make some tutorials with what I got. And also want to say that not don't forget to check out the description area underneath this video, because there is a 10% off coupon for you. Um, uh, it's Shabby 10, and all the links are below, so everything, all the products will be linked below, and so will the website and also the coupon code. So don't forget to go visit them, and they have loads of gorgeous things. It just takes forever for me to um, uh, find what I want to make, because I just want to make everything, and obviously you can't. So but anyway, so here we go. Um, let's open this up. I actually got this about 2 days ago, but I have been really bad with my pinched nerves, and I have not been able to do much. So I am sitting down right now. Excuse me. And and so yeah, that's what's going on there. Okay, there's nothing else in there. So let's see here. Wow. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here, so let us see. Let's start with this. Oh, look at this beautiful baby, my beautiful baby. All right, so let me get this off here. Okay, let's see here. Oh, okay. Sorry. That was pretty stuck on there. Oh, okay, I remember, I think. Let me see. I think this is that suitcase die that was really popular a while back, and I had never got it, and I wanted to use it, so I decided to grab it this time around. And I think it is. I'm not sure, so we will see once I put it together. I will let you know. Oh, look at my baby, my baby. Oh, sorry. I just love my kitty cat so much. And then let's see what this is. Oh, okay. These are some vellum envelopes that I thought would be fabulous for those of us that make journals. Okay, so look. It's really nice, thick, not really thick, but it's a perfect weight vellum to make envelopes, and then it's already scored for you. And I thought they were so cute, and you can decorate them. You can do so many things with these. And so as you can see, here's the envelope where you can put it in this way. I would probably use it this way. Okay, oops. All right, so I'll come back with a small tutorial for this. So this is the envelope. Okay, see, it has all the score lines. It has a score line up here as well. So it's nice and easy because you don't even have to take out your scoreboard. Goodness gracious. Okay, I hope you don't get all this glare. And of course, it wouldn't be me if I don't get some lace, you know. Sorry for the crinkling. Put this up here. So here's, oh wow, this is a lot of lace. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Hang on here. I'm trying to get one of the ends. Here we go. Here's one of the ends. And then Here we go. Oh, this is gorgeous. I actually have this in a different color. I think mine is pink if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure I have a pink one of these. And I love it. I use it often. I don't use it in all my journals, obviously, because you don't want to use the same thing in all your journals. But isn't this just gorgeous? It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yes, so we got this gorgeous lace. Oh, see here, I saw one of the strings here. There we go. And then we have, let's see what this is. Oh, we have these beads, and they come, they're gems, they're glass gems. They come packaged, very well packaged, even with plastic wrap. Excuse me. Sorry, I had to sneeze. So, and then of course it comes in these little lock boxes, which are so awesome. I love these boxes because, you know, they keep everything together. They're not huge. You can fit them anywhere. I really, really like how BB Craft does their, you know, their packaging. So here we go. Here are some blue. I don't know if you can, oh, look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? These are glass with a pointed bottom. Okay, so those are the blue. These are the green. Oh, sorry. And then we have red. And look how many you get in each bag. They are gorgeous. Okay. Oh, look at these. These are like almost like a teal blue. Or maybe like a, I don't know. Because these were blue. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they look almost the same on camera. But these are definitely more like a sapphire blue, and this is more of a teal blue. These are just regular, like diamond color gems. Then we have these are black. And then we have these pink ones. Oh my goodness, how pretty. And then we have, is this blue again? This is like almost like a purpley blue, almost kind of like a royal blue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then we have these oh, what's the name of that word? Oh my goodness, I forgot the name. But yeah, they're like a deep yellow, almost like an orange yellow. Okay. And then we have these, which also look like they are black. So it looks like we have two black sets. I don't know. Are these bigger? I don't know. I don't know why. Yeah, I think they are the same. So we have that. Okay. And let's see here. And then I got these fabulous pens. Okay. They are lipstick pens. I was excited to get these. Let me see here. Let me see if I can find where it begins. And so look at this, guys. So I'm gonna hang on here. Ah. Here we go. Here's the pen. Okay. And I'm guessing you can take out that little nib. Yes. And so there we go with that. And here. So aren't these cute? So okay, so I will hopefully be back with a tutorial with that. And then we have this, and that would be the end of everything. Let's see what I got, because I can't remember. Oh yes, this is this is like a whole kit. So this is, let me see what this paper says here. It's from Sunny Clue, and I know there's some bangle bracelets, okay, but they are religious. The gems are not the gems. What are they called? The charms are religious. So we have some bangle bracelets here. It brings, I don't remember how many. 1, 2. Wait, why is this? Is this actually 1 or 2? Should be 2 in here, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out because it looks like there is 2 in here, but I'm not sure. See, yeah, there. I think there's 2 here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically, this is what it looks like. Okay, and that is your little bangle right there. And then it brings the gems. Let's see here. Grab my little pointy scissors really quick here. That's the advantage I have. I have a lot of stuff near me. Not everything that I need, obviously, but you know, the most important things like my little scissors and my ruler and just things that I use often are very near me. So if I can't walk too much, then I can at least grab a few things. Okay, so we have this in another fabulous little box. Oh my goodness. And I really love these boxes. They are, oh, here we go. Go up. They are, oh my gosh, look at these charms. They are so beautiful. Okay, let me get them out. Let's see here. Well, let's see. Let me do it this way. Okay. So we have this one with the Holy Spirit. Okay. And the communion cup. This one with Saint Benedict and his cross. This one says, believe in yourself. This one says, she believed she could, so she did. This one says, faith. Okay. This one down here is of the Virgin Mary. Oh, come on, please. Here we go. And let's see here. Then we have some more. These say, let's see here. This one says, never, never give up. And then this one says, Mom. This one, we have 2 little heart charms in here. This one says, love, hope, and faith. That one says, thank you. Then we have some other ones in here. Hang on here. We have this cross. Oh, that's so pretty. The little cross one. Oh, and looks like, hang on here. That's just what, believe. And it looks like we have some just crosses in here. So pretty. Very pretty. We have another one in here. Okay. So this was all one set. This with the bangles. I was also really excited about that as well. So let's see here. Oh, it's just like a big old heart, but I can't grab it. Here we go. It's a big old heart. Sorry, I don't know if I stuck my head in there. The heart says, the love between mother and daughter is forever. And then there is this one that looks like a poinsettia, and this one says wish. Oh gosh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but anyway, I'm trying. I'm so trying. Trying. And then these are some little gems on some like little gem charms. Okay. Different colors. Right, so we have those. Then we have the little jump rings. And then we have this over here. There's, let's see here. Right here. This says love. This says you are always in my heart. And it says the same thing on the other side. And then this says, let me see here. Sorry, the glare. No longer by my side, forever in my heart. So that is just beautiful. Okay, guys. So sorry about all the glare. Seems like every time I get something from them, I pick the glariest things. But this is my unboxing for today. I hope you all like it, and I can't wait to come back with a couple of tutorials for you. And yes, I'm so happy about this. Thank you so much, BB Craft, for inviting me again to collaborate with you. Was that it? Yes. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check the links below, and to also use the coupon code Shabby Hippie. I'm sorry, Shabby 10. On your purchases, so that you can get 10% off your whole order. All right, that's a good thing, because it's not just one thing, it's your whole order. All right, so thank you all for watching. I love you all. Take it easy, and we will be back soon. Take care. Bye-bye.